Hello, welcome to SkipperBud's. My name is Ryan Walker, and today we're going over a 2022 Cruiser Yachts 38 GLS South Beach Edition. Boat has an overall length of 38 feet, 12.6 beam, weighs about 24,000 pounds, and this is in the slate gray South Beach Edition. A huge extended swim platform on the IO version. This one, you have all your shore power hookups. You got a head unit, some USB, really nice aft facing sun seat. Right now we have all the courtesy and accessory lighting on. This has the Sure Shade sunshade extension, goes out with a push of a button. Really nice high gloss table. This boat does have the beach terrace, which folds down for lack of space. I'm gonna hold off on that. But your switch for it's right here. Your beach door open, and then also your engine room light. So the engine will lift up. There's a push button at the helm. Cool seating function on here. I'll try to do with a foot and a hand. There's a little button you press and that allows this to spin, which gives you nice seating facing starboard when the beach door is down, people are swimming, hanging out. But then also you can sit on this side facing inwards and have nice discussions this way. It gives you a good little wraparound view. And then again, access to your music and charging. There's a secondary table position for this corner. It's a different shape. You can see it there upside down with some cup holders, a little bit smaller, gives you some more space for people that are standing up. Nice accent lighting underneath here, and good storage access below. You got your nice cooktop and your fridge combo. Also storage, spot for bottles and cleaning solutions. Ton of room back there, it goes back for a while. Moving into the cockpit and the helm. Really nice push buttons. You can easily read everything and understand it, whether there's light or dark. The nice bolster seat, flip down pedestal there. Got your joystick controls, trim tabs here. Dual screens is optional. You got a cool little bar area on the port side of the boat. Really easy to sit facing forward with these as well, with this backrest that you get. All right, let's move up into the bow. Moving into the bow, you got a nice big entrance here. There's a wind block door here that can open up and give you a complete enclosure there. Nice little lock so it doesn't fly open. Really deep, really easy walking up here. And a super nice bow rider section. This is the South Beach white interior. Another position for a table to be mounted there. Some good storage underneath. Your windlass along with the controls down and up. Here's a shot looking back. All right, let's move down to the cabin. Your V berth here. Really nice accent, comfortable room. The table will drop down. There's a filler cushion as well. Got your panel back here. All your access, which is easy to find. Do have a small crawling aft cabin that we got all the equipment in it right now, but can be usable for sure. TV, which also has another placement up in the cockpit area. Do have a wet head, so toilet shower combo. Nice porthole in the window. Moving into the engine room. Turn the light on there. This boat's got twin 8.2 mags. These are the Bravo 3 with the Axiom. A lot of room down here, really accessible space. This does have an own-in diesel generator. Really nicely laid out. Final look at the 2022 South Beach Edition 38 GLS here in stock at SkipperBud's in Antioch, Illinois. My name is Ryan Walker. Thanks for watching.